What's this box got to do with a metric on YouTube? Well, it's interesting actually, because this box contains a microphone that I ordered a few weeks ago. So I know what's inside the box. But if we consider this box to be a thumbnail where we've got several video boxes to look at on YouTube, on the home channel, we can see that this stands out. It's beautifully coloured, it's decorated with an image and clear titles. This is what we really need to think about when we are producing a video, creating a good thumbnail and thinking about the title. So let's think about this a little bit more clearly. So on here, as you can see, we've got the Elgato box at the top. Why did I want to open the box? Well, it's exciting. I'm curious. The package came from Amazon in a plain Amazon logoed box. But when I opened the packaging a bit more, I was excited. I wanted to see what the microphone looked like. And the microphone is basically like your video that you want to create. So on the home screen, this is an important thing. Am I going to click? Sorry, do I like the image, the thumbnail? On the home screen, if the thumbnail and the title are appealing, then people are going to click, and that's the click-through rate. Sorry, I'm having a cup of tea outside this morning, and I thought it'd be a wonderful idea to just speak to you about metrics, but in a different way. So what happens when the viewer has clicked? Well, YouTube measures that as CTR, click-through rate, but the viewer has clicked. Now what? What is the hook? And the hook is the beautiful thumbnail and title. It's got to be clear. It's got to stand out amongst maybe 50 video thumbnails. It's got to be appealing. You're going to make the person feel excited or curious. Perhaps one day I might just put a thumbnail up with a question mark and people will go, have I got time to look at George's teasing video, or shall I just skip it? Sometimes when I'm watching YouTube videos, I'll click on it so it saves in my history, and then I'll move on for a bit. And then when I've got more time, I go back to it and watch it. Probably that's not the intended way of doing things, but the hook, and if we think of the beautiful box, the image and the title, and the hook, we've got a scale, and we need to get retention, so watch hours, and it equals watch time. So everything should be balanced perfectly. And so we've got click-through rate and watch time now thought about. So as a recap up to now, we've got our home channel, thumbnail and title, and they've clicked. So that's everything that happens before someone even watches your video. And that's something that we need to think about. And as I'm learning more about YouTube and making videos, I'm trying to think about how I can add value to a video, because I want to create a really good video for people to watch, because people are not paying me to watch my video. They're giving up something far more important, and that's their time and their engagement. So we really need to be quite compatible. So again, the hook, retention and watch time. Now that they have clicked, this is where you either keep them or lose them. So like I said, I'll come back and watch the video later if it's a movie, because I haven't got an hour and a half available on that day. You might look at the video and think, I haven't got time for that. That's not really what I wanted to see. What I'm trying not to do is just show you statistics. I'm trying to get underneath what's actually happening with the metrics so that I understand how to create better videos. And I'm trying to get to the point. So engagement, if we get engagement, you may put a thumbs up, not to my videos, but to someone else's. You might think a thumbs up, a comment, a subscription has pleased you, and that's the way you're showing your engagement. So that can be quite useful. So this is where, if we can get engagement and it's recommended, new viewers, this is why YouTube analytics aren't separate numbers. It's actually one viewer's complete journey. Only obviously it's mixed with hundreds of other people that are watching the video at the same time. And so as a recap, we want an excellent thumbnail, colourful, appealing, with a clear title, that where the thumbnail and the title describes your video content, and then the rest should automatically follow. If the viewer's got time, then they'll click on, you'll get your click-through rate, and the most important part of all the metrics is, did people enjoy watching your video? If they did, they'll come back. If they didn't enjoy the video, then maybe they'll make a comment of how to improve the video, but other than that, they may not return. And that's not what a creator would like to see. They want to provide quality videos so that viewers can enjoy the experience. Until next time, thank you very much for visiting, and I'll see you again. Take care. Please be safe today.